Hi there, my name is Jamie. I'm a territory manager with Munch's Supply, here at Assured Air to do a DB test on a Space Pak air handler. And this is essentially what it should sound like when it's out of the box. So we have a sound test here. Now this is without any duct work, so keep that in mind.
Anything else you want to add to it?
No, I think that's it. I think this gives you a good idea of what it should sound like in the home. And again, even with duct work, you probably would notice less.